What is up, guys, and welcome back. So now in this video we'll be working with the designing section, okay? And after the designing section I'll show you that how the review of the product works, okay? So let's just go to the pages and let's create the pages that are the important, and that is the home page and the blog page, okay? So I'm just gonna go to the sample page, and I'm gonna remove this page right now. And now here I want to add a new page, and that will be my home page, okay? So let's just come here, let's just search for home page, or you can just search for the normal home, okay? And then we have the template, so make sure you selected the home page, okay? And let's hit update. So do not add anything here, okay? You can see that our home page has been updated. Same like this, we have to add a new page, and that will be the blog page. I'm just gonna come here, I'm gonna hit blog right now, enter blog, and let's just come here and let's hit publish. So you can see that the blog page and everything is set up. And now what we have to do, we have to go to the reading, and then we have to just change this. So for the home page, I need it to be like home, okay? And for the blog post page, I need to select the blog. Now let's just hit save changes, and you can see that everything has been changed. Now let's have a look at our website, that how it is looking, and you will see how amazing it looks. So we have the home right here, we have shop by category, we have the new in products, and then we have on sale, we have the best sellers, and nothing. So we'll be customizing this whole section now. So let's just go ahead and let's hit customize, and you can see that we can customize it from this right now. So let's just click here, and you can see this has taken us to the customize page, and we can now customize our whole website from here. You can see everything is right here. We have the site identity, header, footer, background, buttons, layout, okay? And then we also have the menus and the home page settings. So here we can also manage the home page. We have the additional CSS, and then we have the more section, okay? So now we will be working up with this section in this video, okay? Not the next video. So in order for us to add this, what we have to do, we have to just come here to the more, and then we have to hit this right now so that we can edit this page, okay? And you can see that we have some of the extensions right here. This is install and go enhancement. So we have card tab, we have this one, and we have this. So we basically want to just work with it, okay? So what we have to do, we have to just hit install now. Okay, this should be installed. We have to install now this as well. Let's hit activate to activate this one. Okay, we have to leave the site for this. Let's just hit leave. Okay, so let's first activate this one, and then we're gonna activate the other one. So we have Storefront product sharing. Okay, and then we should be having one more. Okay, let's just go to the Storefront again. Okay, and let's activate that as well. So let's just hit activate. Okay, and you can see sticky add to cart has also been added. So you can see that every plugin is right here, okay? And if I just go to visit my site, and then you can see what I want to do right now, I just want to edit this whole thing. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go to the customize right here. Okay, and let's see that what are the things that we can customize. So we have site identity, we have the header, footer, background, buttons, layout, menus, and everything. But we cannot edit this homepage. Okay, so how we're gonna edit it? Okay, what we have to do if we want to edit this whole page. So let's just go to the appearance, and then let's go to the storefront. Okay, and then here we want to edit everything. So this is the plugin that we have to get, okay, in order to just work. So you can see if I just open this up, you can see it says Storefront extension bundle, okay? This means Storefront is a free initiative theme for WooCommerce. Make it yours without touching the code of Storefront extension bundle. So you can just work with this, you can work with this, you can just optimize everything, you can keep your store running in shape. Okay, and then we have this one right here. So it says get started today, but I would not recommend you to work with this storefront because this theme is not professional at all. Yes, I'm sorry, but this theme is not really professional. We are just working with this theme so that we can have the basic understanding. Okay, and you can see that we have already got the basic understanding. So this is how this theme works, and I would not recommend you to move with this theme. Okay, so we are just going to be working up with the customized section. Storefront used to have us to customize so that we can work with these changes, but it is not letting us work with this section right now. So I'm just going to go ahead. I'm going to go to customize, and then we're going to customize the look and feel of our website. So let's just start from the scratch. Let's just go from the site identity to the additional CSS. So what we have to do, we have to go to site identity, and here we have the tagline. So I'm going to add a tagline, and my tagline is going to be the best online store. Okay, I want to add a logo, so let's just come here to the logo. Let's just hit upload files, and let's select the files. So the logo that I want to add right now, so I'm just gonna go to this and let's add a logo. So I'm just gonna add this one logo. Okay, this should be added right now. This is here. I'm just gonna hit select right now, and you can see that I need to crop the image. So let's just increase the size of it, and let's hit crop. So you can see this is right here, and this should be coming here. Okay, this is like this. This is the logo that has been added, and this is the home blog and everything. Okay, so you can see that we're done with the logo. Now let's go to the header right here. So you can add a header background image if you want to. You can add a header background image, but I will not be moving with the header background image. Okay, I just want the background color. So I want the background color to be the blue. Okay, you can see how this is looking. Okay, I can also go with the red one. So the header background is going to be red. Okay, I will be going up with the full black version. Okay, so you can see that my header is turned to black. The text color is going to be white, so it will be turned to white. Okay, and the link color, which is these, okay, I'm going to select this to be white as well. So you can see this will be turned white as well. So how our website is looking. Okay, you can see everything is looking totally okay. Oh, awesome. I'm going to go down, and we have the footer. So we are going to customize the footer here as well. I'm going to choose the background color to be the same black so that we match the header and footer site, everything. We have the heading color. It should be white. The text color should be white and a bit of gray. And the link color should be same. Okay, let's go ahead, let's hit publish, and let's go back. So now we have the background, which is this one. Okay, so you can add a background image if you want to, but I will be moving up with a code, and that will be eBay, so that it turns a bit of gray, not the full. So now you can see that this is whole visible. This is not the full white. So I'll be moving up with this. And now let's go back, and we have the typography. So you can just change the heading color, text color, and the link color as well. Okay, I'll be moving up with the default setting right here. Text color and the link accent color. Everything is looking great. Now we have the button. So for button, I need to move with the background color. So my background color will be the blue. So here you can see the blue has been added. Now here I need a text color. So my text color is going to be white. Okay, and my alternate background color. So you have to select the alternate background color if you don't want to add the blue. So for this, I need to add the purple. Okay, and the alternate background text color would be this one as well. Let's just go back, and we have the layout. Okay, so here we can select it where we want the sidebar. You guys already know about it. Okay, and then we have the menus, so you can also work with the menus. You can create a main menu right here, and you can work with it. Okay, so now let's go back to the widgets right here. We will be working up with the widgets later on in the upcoming videos. And now you can see that we are totally done with the styling of our website, and our website is totally new looking. Okay, so if we just compare the previous version and the new version, you will see that how great it looks right now. Okay, so if I also go to the shop page right now, you can see how my shop page is and everything. So you can work with this pretty well, and you can design your own e-commerce site like this. But this is not professional, okay? This is just used for learning purposes. You can build your e-commerce site on this theme if you want to. Storefront is mostly used by so many WooCommerce based website. Okay, but I would not recommend you if you need professionality in your site. If you want to buy the complete pro version of the storefront, you can test it out, but I would not recommend. So you can see that we're totally done with this. In the next video, we'll learn about the categories default section which are the section that we want to show. And after that, we will learn about the checkout things, that how a person can check out at our website, and then we'll move forward. So stay tuned, guys, and goodbye.